So guys, we will install this one. It's sponge holder. So let's have a look what's inside first.
Obviously the unboxing goes wrong.
Okay, gotta take a tape off first though. Did you save the receipt for this?
Yeah.
Pause it for a second. What? So this is it. Oh, nice. It comes with a vacuum. Look, I don't know how to put this. And if it's crooked,
Well, take a Filipina, will be crooked.
you need a measurement.
No?
Where's
You take the thing off first.
this one? And then?
You take that off. Yeah, put it on there. How many pumps?
I don't know.
You didn't.
6?
Yeah.
Oh my god, gosh. Now, do you have to press or pump first?
No, press and pump it. No, no, in the middle, is that one? No, no, right in the middle, yes. Black line. Yep,
Are you serious?
just go.
Oh my god. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's it. Take it off.
No, I think it needs more.
Try it.
That's better. Who's that one? That is fun. Guys, we put the hook. The hook.
Just slide them first. They're
The
facing outwards.
yes, of
Yeah.
course.
Should I turn the shower on?
I saw. Stop!
Maybe for a good vlog.
No,
Why?
don't you silly D.
What don't be silly? I am silly.
No. That's very disrespectful.
Is it? It's funny.
No, it's not. It's not funny when you.
You can turn the shower on me.
Is that? Hey. Hey.
Oh my god!
Hey!
Like that.
Oh yeah. No.
Like that.
Why is it in the back?
So it doesn't hit the back. It's 50 bar.
Dude, it's too high for me.
Oh, okay. You said it's okay.
Where is the sponges? Okay, that's crooked though.
You said it was correct.
Hers, his.
How come I got the long dangy one? I've been using yours.
Oh no, you don't.
I have.
It's mine. And then what goes there? My logod. My logod. Ah, my logod.
And soap on top.
And then soap there. Oh, that's a good idea. Voila! Look at closer.
Let's do it again.
Voila! Closer ba? So ito na siya, guys. Very beautiful. And we bought that the other day. Okay, it's very dark.
And